In the pull handle box you'll find a fitting guide, the pull handle itself, a cowling to go on the top, the gel bottle, an optional extra bracket, and 2 additional rubber grippers. Take the pull handle, note that this is the back, this is the front. The product opens from the left hand side as you look at it from the front, opens from the left hand side. Inside you will find pre-installed 2 black rubber grippers to help grip the handle. If you have narrower gauge handles, you can take the 2 black additional rubber grippers and stick them over the existing rubber grippers to give you double the depth. This helps give you greater grip on narrower diameter handles. Alternatively, you may also add the additional rubber pieces on the opposing sides. Now to fit the gel bottle, please note the peel to activate sticker must remain on at this stage. Remove the cap. The reducer must also stay in place as this helps control the flow of gel through the product. Take the handle and the gel bottle and place the gel bottle in the top of the handle and screw down like so. The pull handle is supplied dry, so you will next need to prime the handle. To do this, simply squeeze the gel bottle 3 times between thumb and forefinger to force gel into the clamshell, and you'll see the air bubble release. Repeat this process 3 times. Once you have squeezed the gel bottle and forced the gel into the clamshell to prime it, you are now ready for fitting. To fit the pull handle, open up the clamshell from the left hand side and note that the notch on the back must correspond with the notch on the top of the handle. So take the handle and take it round the right hand side over the top and snap shut. You will hear an audible click. If the pull handle doesn't snap shut, check the alignment on the right hand side. Next, remove the peel to activate label. This allows a hole in the top of the bottle to let air in and the gel to then drop through the product in a controlled way. Now take the cowling. Note that there is a window in the side to allow you to see the level of gel in the bottle, and there is a male lug. The male lug corresponds to a female lug in the top, like so, into position and rotate. Next, take the retainer or bracket. This is mounted at the top of the cowling or cover. Take the adhesive back label, remove it, simply offer it up to the top of the cowling, 10mm down, and adhese in place. Please note that the bracket also has 4 screw holes should you want a more permanent fixing. To replace the gel bottle, simply rotate the cowling and remove vertically like so. Undo the bottle, take the new bottle, undo the lid, place it up and under and in. Rotate and then remove the peel to activate label and simply slide the cowling down from the top like so, into position and rotate. To remove the product from the door, simply go to the left hand side top, place your fingernails in the top, click and remove. And that concludes the fitting, changing of the bottle and removal of the pull handle. Surface skins are quick and easy to install. Take the holster and remove the adhesive label at the top and at the bottom. Offer up to the push plate, press at the base, press at the top. Next, take the surface skin and open from the back. Pull the surface skin from the foil packaging, offer the push pad up to the holster, click all the way up, and you should hear an audible snap. The push pad is now ready to be used. Please note, more gel is ejected at the start of its life than towards the end of 1,000 activations. If you don't have a push plate, you can stick the holster on an appropriate area of the door like so. Just make sure you give it a firm push top and bottom. Take the push pad and simply snap in at the base until you hear a click. And the push pad is now ready to use. To remove the surface skin, simply place your finger in the recess and pull like so.